Hi guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Hello guys, my name is Wulan Nur Rahma. I'm from group 5. This time I will explain how to operate combine harvester.
1. Cereal crops are gathered in by the header at the front, which has a pair of sharp pincers called crop dividers at either end. Different headers are used for cutting different crops. The header is often hydraulically powered and can be raised, lowered, and angled in different ways from the cab. 2. A slowly rotating wheel called the reel or pickup reel pushes the crops down toward the cutter. The reel has horizontal bars called bats and vertical teeth or tines to grip the plant stalks. 3. The cutter bar runs the entire length of the header underneath the reel. Its teeth, sometimes called mowing fingers, open and close repeatedly to cut off the crops at their base. A bit like a giant electric hedge cutter sweeping along at ground level. 4. Behind the cutter bar, the cut crops are fed toward the center by spinning augers, screws, and travel up a conveyor to the processing mechanism inside the main part of the combine. 5. A threshing drum beats the cut crops to break and shake the grains away from their stalks. 6. The unwanted material, chaff and stalks, passes along conveyors called straw walkers toward the back of the machine. More grain falls through into the tank. 7. When a grain tank is full, a tractor with a trailer on the back pulls alongside the combine. The grain is carried up from the tank by an elevator and shoots out of a side pipe, sometimes called the unloader, into the trailer. 8. The unwanted stalks and chaff tumble from the back of the machine. Some combines have a rotating spreader mechanism that throws the straw over a wide area. Sometimes the straw is baled up by a baling machine and used for animal bedding.